Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are my husband's favorite headphones. They are the ISOtunes 2.0 Bluetooth headphones. He can use them while he does yard work, even though the lawnmower is pretty loud and the weed eater and all those tools are pretty loud. He can still hear perfectly from these headphones. Because of the noise isolating feature that these Bluetooth headphones have, the audio quality is really great. You can really enjoy the music through them even if you're working with loud tools. They also serve as ear protection, which is also a plus. The headphones come with a little box that you can store them in, which is so convenient because you can also put the different ear tips in there, the charger, and as well as the headphones keeps everything nice and organized. We also love how easy it is to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. It just takes a few seconds and they're ready to put on. My husband says that they're just the most comfortable headphones that he's ever tried, and he loves how they stay on because of the little clip on the front that clips to his shirt. So if you need a little extra motivation while you're doing your house chores or while working, this is definitely a great option. So if you're in the market for some amazing headphones, you're gonna want to get these from ISOtune. These are amazing quality, they work great, very durable, and they make the perfect gift. And that's my point of view.